Yes! You're kidding me! Oh my god! Are you...
The double eight.
Are you kidding me? Oh!
The double eight.
I can't even do it. Look at... Oh my god. Can you get the other camera on, please? That was the best thing that's ever happened to me I've ever seen. Oh my... Oh, he's so big. Oh, he's so big. He was touching it with his nose before he ate it. Oh, please don't rub out. Just he's a good big Mundy, bro. He's gonna go. He's gonna jump again here.
He's speechless.
That has made, like, let's think about it real life. I hired a car for $300. I drive 1,200 kilometers. Pretty much donutted so far, and that has made everything like... Look at him, dude. Look at him.
Wow.
Okay, Ryan, I need you to grab this. Look at him, bro. Look at how he's pinned too. Get him, Ryan. Oh my god, man.
That is a good fish, man. Holy shit.
Oh my god, man.
Wow.
He's big as. Double eight? Are you kidding me? Oi, Barry, come up here, Russ. Look at that. That's chafed as, but look at how that hook's pinned him. The Titan has just jammed. Look, get up in there, look at that. That's in there, bro.
Nice.
Have we got a braggie in here? Oh, bruh.
That is a good fish.
Oh, bruh. He's pretty big, eh, Ryan? How big do you want to say? 110?
Pretty close.
Get him on there. Is he 110?
You good?
Huh?
Are you good?
I'm tripping. Oh, he's 1.7 or 6.
106.5.
Okay, let's just, we'll get him back quick, eh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These big ones are so hard to hold. Look at that thing, man. That has made it all worthwhile. And like the way that happened, I'm like, I can't even talk, man. Okay. We're on the board. I need a beer. I'm just gonna go there. I am tripping out. Oh wow. Oh, these things that, like, look at his tail, bro. That's better than GT fishing, man. Like, are you kidding me?
Monday fisherman now, eh, John?
That's the best thing in fishing ever. Seeing that happen like that. All right, mate. Thank you.